In this video, we'll explore the Strategy Builder Auto Trade functionality. Shifting parameter. Using this functionality, you can define shift conditions based on future price points. This will exit the current leg and enter a new leg. If you need to repeat the same multiple times, just enter the count in the number of times field. In the repeat orders, it will exit the latest leg and enter a new leg. There will be an input based on the up-down move in the future price, and if any of them is triggered, then shift orders will be fired. You may choose from 10 plus default strategies with auto strike selection and execute in the market. The desired premium parameter allows you to modify the net premium by considering the absolute value for the net premium satisfaction. For example, Nifty is 16,000 CE50 at 100. Current premium is 5,000. By using the desired premium lesser than with 4,500 value, you can buy Nifty 16,000 CE50 at 90 equals 4,500. By using the desired premium greater than with 5,500 value, you can buy Nifty 16,000 CE50 at 110 equals 5,500. Then we have the entry parameters. The entry parameters functionality allows you to input all your entry parameters at once. For example, buy Nifty 16,000 CE50 at 100. In shift, select future points up by 50 points with ATM plus 2 and down by 50 points with ATM minus 2. When future points moves up by 50 points, it will exit the existing leg and switch to ATM plus 2 strike. When future points moves down by 50 points, it will exit the existing leg and switch to ATM minus 2 strike. Kindly make a note. While choosing the number of times, please ensure to select the based on ATM, OTM, ITM checkbox. Doing this will execute the new strike as per market condition. Otherwise, the given strike will keep on executing automatically. Order parameters. This allows you to enter order type with trigger percent or waiting time options. Target parameters. This allows you to define your overall profit conditions with a fixed amount. Once the target is achieved, you may apply trail profit stop-loss conditions, and you can also lock your profit with the trailing option. Lock profit. For example, buy Nifty 16,000 CE50 at 100 and fixed profit is 200. And if profit value X reaches to 100, lock profit value Y is 50 and stop-loss is 150. That is, when MTM reaches Rs 100 profit, it will lock the minimum profit at Rs 50, and when it moves to 200, it will close the position. When MTM comes down to 150, stop loss will close the position. Trail profit. For example, buy Nifty 16,000 CE50 at 100. Fixed profit is given at 200. With every increase in profit by 100, trail profit is 50 and stop loss is given at 200. That is, when MTM reaches Rs 200, the trail will start by fixed profit of 200 with X value 100 and start the trail profit of Y value given at 50. Once it reaches 300, the minimum profit book is 250. From there, it keeps on trailing. Trail stop loss. For example, buy Nifty 16,000 CE50 at 100 and fixed profit is given at 100. With every increase in profit given in X value to 100, trail stop loss given in Y value as 50 and stop loss given as 200. That is, when MTM reaches Rs 100, the trail will start by fixed profit 100 with X value 100 and start the trail stop loss of Y value given at 50. Once it reaches 200, the stop loss will start trailing at minus 150. From there, stop loss keeps trailing. Lock and trail profit. For example, buy Nifty 16,000 CE50 at 100 and fixed profit is 200. When profit in X value reaches 100, lock profit in Y value is 50 and stop loss is 200. That is, when MTM reaches Rs 100 profit, it will lock the minimum profit at rupees 50, and when it moves to 200, it will start the trail profit. When MTM reaches rupees 200, the trail will start by fixed profit 200
with A value 100
and start the trail profit
B value
50. Once it reaches 300, the minimum profit booked is 250. From there, it keeps on trailing. When MTM comes down to 200, stop loss will then close the position. Exit parameters. It allows you to define your overall loss condition and exits all at once. In case you wish to modify the parameters, visit the Auto Strategy page on the Trader dashboard, and you can modify the already entered parameters followed by clicking the Start button. Important points to note. All the auto trade functionalities are available for indices only. Only entry, target, exit parameters are available for stock futures options. Please remember, to ensure that your API token is renewed on the ModernAlgos system, you must log in at least once a day. If not specified in order parameter, system sends the market orders only. That's it. You're now ready to start using the option strategy builder for auto trading on the ModernAlgos platform.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.